Welcome back to the channel. So make sure to subscribe.
Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Emma. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Do you like English? Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Yes, I like English. Let's study together. Let's study together. I have a new book. I have a new book. This book is easy. This book is easy. I read every day. I read every day. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. Take care. Keep practicing English. Keep practicing English. You are doing great. You are doing great. See you again. Goodbye.